Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make you learn how to implement the logic gate from the schematic capture to the PCB on proteus. So here is the schematic capture. So the logic gates that have attached in parallel with each other and the LEDs in series with each gate. So there are the two resistors that are in the parallel with all these 7 gates, and these are used to ground the extra static charges built at the input terminals or the one terminal voltage removal. So here are the input gates. You can generally see them as push buttons. These push buttons are open and showing that the zero logic state appearing at one terminal, and the other when the button is off, it's showing that the one logic state is appearing. Here is a voltage source that I've connected with the input terminals of these two gates. Here is you can see that 5-volt constant DC voltage is given to these gates. So here I'm going to show you the working of these 7 gates. I'm not going to show you the logic truth table for these 7 gates because it's make the videos quite lengthier. So here is the working of this gate. As you can see that all the gates were working properly. Let's take a simple example for one gate. Here is the OR gate. OR gate is generally a summer circuit because you see that 1 plus 0 is equals to 1 and 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, means that it will close only in that situation where the 0 0 at the both input terminals will be appeared. So let's see that when we apply both the zero logic states, it will off, and it will on in all the situation when even the only one switch is on and both the switches are on. So here you can see that, and the AND gate and the NAND gate both are the opposite of each other. You can see that when the AND gate is open, the NAND gate is off. I'm just going to make the PCB layout. This is the PCB layout that I've already made. Here are the ICs for the logic gates. These are 7 in the number, and these are the LEDs that are connected to show the outputs of the particular gate. These are the resistances, and the one thing that you have to do is to just click the place and then components. Actually, I've used all the components, so it is gray in color, non-component is appearing. So you have to just click this routing button, and then you will see that the auto rotate image will be appearing here. And here the red lines are showing the top of the PCB. Actually, it is the double layered PCB, top copper and the bottom copper. So the blue lines are showing the bottom copper. So these are the because these are the overlapping lines, and it should not be overlap only in the single plane. So it's not possible to create such a circuit that having intersecting line that doesn't have any intersecting line. So these lines will work as the top copper that are intersecting with the blue lines. So I'm going to show you that how to make it. PCB print that you have to implement it practically. You go to the output and then export graphic, then export PDF file, and then these are the top copper and bottom copper. You can only make one at a time, so I'm just going to make the bottom copper. So click the file name, you can enter file which you want to be bottom copper PCB 1. So here I'm going to save it. You can see here only the blue lines. You can see here only the blue lines will be appeared when I clicked on the bottom copper. So now I'm again going to make the top copper. So now you have to click the top copper and unmark the bottom copper, and then again make the file. Here is a bottom copper, and here is a PCB layout for the top copper file as well. Hope that you enjoy this video as well. Thank you.